Hello future coders! Welcome back to another video from CodeRobo, where learning coding is fun. In today's video, we're going to explore how to use this robot to draw basic shapes like squares, triangles, and more. To begin, we'll need to click on Courses. However, before we proceed, ensure you've signed in and created an account. This will allow all your changes to be saved. Once you click on Courses, you'll access Blockly. We will be working within Blockly. After the page loads, scroll down and locate Explore with Draw. In this, we'll engage in fun missions where we'll guide the robot to draw various shapes. Let's click Continue. Upon clicking Continue, you'll notice the robot displayed on the right-hand side. You'll encounter several pop-up windows providing instructions. Now, we'll need to start by clicking on the left-hand side. Within this play area, you'll find a series of missions to complete. We'll begin with the first mission, drawing a square. Upon clicking it, you'll receive instructions on how to accomplish this task. You'll observe that the robot needs to trace the gray line to complete the square. To achieve this, we'll use the Place Pen command. Place Pen will enable the robot to draw a darker line and trace the gray line. Once this is done, we'll move the robot forward. We'll ensure it moves forward by 4 pixels, as each side of the square is 4 pixels long. Next, we'll turn the robot right by 90 degrees, as each angle of the square is 90 degrees. We'll repeat the sequence of commands 4 times since a square has 4 equal sides and 4 equal angles of 90 degrees. Therefore, we'll execute the sequence. Move forward 4 pixels, turn right 90 degrees, 4 times. Once completed, we're ready to click the Play or Run button. Let's click the green Play button. You'll see the robot begin tracing the gray line, filling it with a black line. You'll also notice on the left-hand side that the currently executing code is highlighted with a lighter color. Now, the robot turns right by 90 degrees. And here we go! The last line is drawn, followed by a final turn of 90 degrees. Voila! We've successfully drawn a perfect square. Do like, share, and subscribe to see amazing videos about coding and robotics.